Breaking news. Buhari's government spends 92 million as parking fee on faulty presidential jets taken to Germany for repairs. Hello, my wonderful people. Every single day they pay 92 million to park the jet. Oh. You know, the hangar where, to have an airplane, for you to have an airplane, you know that your level has really changed. If it's not buying a car, to have an airplane, because the hangar alone, to keep that that baby, if you want to call it that, your jet, the hangar alone, even some ministries, I heard some, church are already selling off their, you know, their private jets. Okay, why? Because the money alone to maintain. So Buhari, they've taken presidential jets to Germany for repair, to pack it, and they are going to borrow money to pack it. The parking fee alone to pack it, the parking fee is 92 million. 92 million. Nigerians, wake up. Oh. Now the country now all of us deal. You are seeing what is going on, Abi. This is your country for you. Where they waste the money, then they tell you that they need to borrow more money. And this is why Nnamdi Kanu Sunday Igboho said the waste that is going on is too much. We want out. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. SAR Reporters has reported how the presidential jet developed fault, why the president and his entourage were returning to Abuja from the UN General Assembly. A Boeing business jet, Boeing 737/700, Mark, I don't want to call the names, all owned by the Nigerian government, has incurred parking charges of at least 95 million since it was taken to Germany for repairs. The amount for the aircraft parking charges for 40 days is at the rate of 5,000 euro, which is 2.4 million at the official standard exchange rate of 473 to £1. SAR Reporters has reported how the presidential jet developed fault while the president and his entourage were returning to Abuja from the UN General Assembly in the US on Saturday, September the 25th. Sources said the aircraft was subsequently moved to Euro Airport in Germany on September the 29th and arrived at 4:15 p.m. after leaving the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport at 9:48 a.m., with the Nigerian government paying 5,000 euros per night as parking fee. To avoid any backlash, Sahara reporters gathered that the registration of the aircraft was done using, they use another distance to do it, okay? Also exclusive. Buhari escape air crash. Remember that whole incident? Yes. It was because of this faulty aircraft. Okay, and they quickly took it to Germany. The presiding Boeing business jet registration number is there, developed fault during the trip. He traveled to Saudi Arabia with a smaller jet, a Falcon 7X jet, with registration number is there, and departed. That was what he used to go to Saudi Arabia, knowing that the presidential jet he normally traveled with is faulty. The one that developed fault has been moved to the Euro airports, and that one is incurring money by the day. Yet your government wants to borrow more money. Okay, wake up. It's the dawn of a new day. Nigeria, this is what is happening. And this is what is going on right now. So the presidential jet has developed faults. Yes. And right now what is happening is that your government are paying 5,000 euro per night. Okay. For just keeping it there. Every night, 5,000 euro. One night, 5,000. Second night, 5,000. Okay. And the truth of the matter is they will not tell you this. They won't tell you any of these things going on. They will conceal it very cleverly. Why they are borrowing more money is being borrowed, they need to spend more money. Is that not a wasteful spirit? Okay, you have a leader who does not think about the welfare of the people, but rather to squander what is there. And everybody is silent, sadly. Everybody pays no attention to the real issue at hand. Everyone is silent. Okay, so he wakes up, leaves whenever he wants to leave, come back whenever he wants to come back. I mean, as a president, those are some of the things, okay, he enjoys as a president. So, how many presidential jets do we have? Do we need every one of them? But this is what is happening in Nigeria. So he had to leave, to Saudi. Remember, he went to Saudi recently. And when we told you guys that Buhari escaped, whatever, Femi Adesina was quick to say Buhari was not involved in any. They lie so much that you don't even understand what time of the day it really is. They cover up everything. Like I don't understand it. The reigns of lie is just too much. You can only think about it, the way they lie in this country. Public figures, and yet there is no form of integrity related or tied to their wealth. They lie at every given instant and opportunity. So why they are putting up the budget and Buhari's feeding allowance alone and traveling allowance alone is more than 5 state or 10 state teacher salary for 5 years. Okay, for just 1 year budget. So for just 1 year budget. And you look at it and you are wondering, do we really have priority in this country? What is important to us? I don't think there is anything called priority. Okay, there is no priority to say these are the most important things that we should do as a people. These are the things we should implement on. Teachers, very important. This very important. We don't have such. We don't have such. Largely, the people we have are even those who are helping us squander and even destroy the nation even the more. Okay, helping, because if you look at it very closely, this nation has not really made any tangible progress since 2015. I mean, it has, in fact, if there is anything, it has gone back. It has gone back to it's gone back. It's moved further back. Okay, it's gone further back. So this is where we are at the moment, and we'll be keeping you informed, as the matter unfolds. You see, so it is a serious, you know, it's a serious call for every one of us to know the right thing to do. Okay, leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless you. Bye for now.